If you've ever used a standard toilet and thought there has to be something better, you're not wrong. Smart toilets have completely changed what comfort and hygiene can look like in a bathroom. I mean, we're talking about things like heated seats, warm water cleansing, automatic lids, or built-in deodorizers. And some of them even flush on their own. The problem is, not all smart toilets offer the same experience. Some focus on automation, others prioritize advanced bidet technology, and a few go all in on luxury design and performance. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best smart toilets, each one standing out for a different reason, whether it's value, features, or full high-end refinement. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these smart toilets aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Casta Diva Smart Toilet. This is the best non-electric on our list. What makes it special right away is that it runs completely power-free. No outlet needed. So if your bathroom doesn't have wiring nearby, this instantly solves that problem. And even without electricity, you still get a full built-in bidet system. It includes dual retractable self-cleaning nozzles for both lady and rear wash. You can switch modes and adjust water pressure using the side knob. It's manual, simple, and very intuitive. Then there's the flush performance. It uses 1 gallon per flush and has a maximum performance score of 1,000 grams, which means strong clearing power while staying quiet and water efficient. The air pressure assisted system keeps the flush consistent even in high or low pressure conditions. On top of that, it's built at 17.5 inches ADA seat height, making sitting down and standing up easier. There's a foot kick flush option along with a side button flush, which adds convenience for everyday use. Both the lid and seat close softly, reducing noise and preventing finger pinching. The ceramic body is antimicrobial and scratch resistant. It also includes the wax ring kit, supply line, bolts, and everything needed for installation. So if you want modern bidet hygiene without needing electricity, this one makes total sense. Number 6 is the Kohler Veil Comfort. This is the best with remote on our list. The remote experience is what truly sets this one apart. It gives you complete command over your wash. You can adjust spray shape, spray position, water pressure, and water temperature with precision. You can switch between pulsating and oscillating modes. Plus, you can fine-tune the heated seat settings too. Everything responds smoothly, and it feels intuitive from day one. And because it's fully integrated, nothing feels like an add-on. The stainless steel wand delivers both front and rear warm water cleansing. It automatically self-cleans using UV light and an electrolyzed water system, which helps maintain hygiene without extra effort. That's built-in sanitation working quietly in the background. Then there's the comfort factor. The elongated bowl provides more space, and the comfort height seating makes sitting down and standing up easier for most adults. It feels natural and supportive, almost chair-like. You also get automatic deodorization that keeps the air fresh, plus a warm air dryer with adjustable temperature. The tankless design with direct water supply keeps the profile sleek and modern while delivering consistent performance. And here's what DJ says. I've had this installed for a couple of months now and am quite happy with it. Installation was easy. The unit has a lot of features, really all the features you could imagine wanting in a toilet, and is nonetheless easy to use with the control unit mounted on a nearby wall. Basically, it's beautiful, comfortable, easy to use, and very convenient. It's expensive, but worth it in my opinion. So if you want full remote precision combined with intelligent features, this one absolutely delivers. Number 5 is the Alpha Bidet UXT Pearl. This is the best features on our list. This one earns that title because it doesn't just add a few smart upgrades. It goes all in. And it starts with hands-free automation. The lid and seat open automatically using a proximity sensor. When you're done, it flushes automatically. There's even a multifunction foot sensor that gives you another layer of control without touching anything. Then you move into the next generation bidet system. It uses a tankless heater, which means endless warm water on demand. So no drop in temperature, and basically no waiting. You also get a warm air dryer, a photocatalyst deodorizer, and an air plasma bowl freshener working together to maintain a clean, fresh environment. On top of that, the automatic bowl pre-rinse adds another layer of cleanliness before and after use. And customization is where it really separates itself. You get 2 programmable user presets, shortcut functions, and adjustable automations that let you fine-tune the entire experience. It adapts to you, not the other way around. Now, the arc-shaped stainless steel nozzle is designed to minimize splashback and support hygiene. And visually, it makes a statement. The ultra-low profile, in-bowl LED nightlight, and halo side LED accent give it a modern centerpiece look. And here's what Zenny says. The Alpha Pearl toilet is such a game changer in the bathroom. All the functions work flawlessly with ease of use and ability to set preferences. The toilet is beautiful and updated the bathroom, which is something I hadn't thought would be so different. The installer had no issue with setting the Alpha in place and attaching the remote to the wall. In fact, installation was flawless. The remarkable clean feeling after use is worth every penny. The hygiene benefit is heavenly. So if you want maximum automation and deep customization wrapped in a sleek modern design, this one truly stands out. And if you want to know the latest prices for the smart toilets discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the American Standard Spa-Led. This is the best with built-in bidet on our list. The built-in bidet system is the focus here. It features dual self-cleansing nozzles for independent front and back cleansing. You also get multiple spray patterns, giving you a personalized experience every time. And thanks to instant heating, warm water is always available. The heated seat includes 5 adjustable temperature levels, and the water temperature also offers 5 levels. The warm air dryer has 3 temperature settings, adding comfort while reducing paper use. And automation makes it even smoother. The seat opens automatically when you approach and closes after use. It also flushes automatically. Then there's the deodorizer system using air shield, room refresh, and blue light technology to help clean the air around the bowl. Plus, a soft night light guides you in low light conditions. Everything feels integrated into one cohesive system that prioritizes hygiene and comfort. So if you want a complete toilet with a powerful built-in bidet system that handles the essentials beautifully, this one does exactly that. Number 3 is the Bio Bidet Bliss BB2000. This is the best mid-range on our list. What really makes it stand out in this category is how much comfort and customization you get without stepping into ultra high-end territory. And it starts with the heated seat. It's adjustable, sensor activated, and built with a slow close lid that keeps everything smooth and quiet. Then there's the wash system. You get endless warm water, so the temperature stays consistent from start to finish. Using the wireless remote control, you can adjust water temperature, pressure, and nozzle position for a truly personalized cleanse. Front or rear wash, it's easy to fine-tune. On top of that, there's a warm air dryer that helps reduce toilet paper use and leaves you feeling fresh. The built-in deodorizer keeps the air clean, and the soft nightlight makes late-night visits easier without turning on harsh lighting. Plus, durability is strong here too. It features stainless steel nozzles and a sturdy, easy-to-clean seat designed for long-term use. Installation is DIY friendly, and it fits most standard round toilets as long as there's an outlet available. Altogether, it delivers spa-like comfort in a practical, approachable way. So if you want premium features, full customization, and reliable performance in that mid-range sweet spot, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 2 is the Woodbridge B0960S. This is the best value on our list. What defines it as value is how much automation and hygiene it packs into one smart unit. The lid opens automatically as you approach, and once you're done, it activates the self-cleaning wand and performs an automatic flush. It's completely hands-free, which instantly upgrades convenience. Then you've got multiple wash modes. It offers posterior wash, feminine wash, and pulsating wash, along with adjustable water pressure using filtered water. The heated seat is contoured for comfort, and the warm air dryer keeps you comfortable during colder mornings. And flush performance is efficient and strong. It uses a siphonic single flush rated at 1.28 gallons per flush, delivering a quiet yet powerful rinse. There's also a built-in air purification system that draws air through an ionized carbon filter to eliminate odors around the bowl. And of course, comfort matters too. It's ADA compliant with a 17 1/8 inch seat height, making sitting and standing easier for many adults. Plus, all of this comes wrapped in a sleek porcelain build that feels durable and modern. So if you want smart automation, strong hygiene features, and everyday comfort at a great value level, this one delivers. Number 1 is the Toto NeoRest RS Dual Flush. This is the best overall on our list. This one earns that title by combining advanced flushing technology, premium materials, and fully integrated bidet functionality in one seamless system. And it starts with performance. It features Toto's Tornado Flush system, creating a powerful centrifugal rinse that thoroughly cleans the bowl. You also get dual flush options rated at 1.0 or 0.8 GPF, offering ultra-efficient water use without sacrificing strength. Then there's the ceramic innovation. The Cephiontex glaze creates an extraordinarily smooth surface that helps minimize waste sticking to the bowl. That means less buildup and easier maintenance over time. Now, the integrated bidet seat offers rear cleanse, soft rear cleanse, front cleanse, oscillating spray, and pulsating spray. And water pressure and temperature are adjustable, so you're always in control. Plus, automation elevates the experience even more. The lid opens and closes automatically. It flushes automatically as well. Everything just feels effortless. The one-piece design is sleek, refined, and instantly elevates the bathroom's look. So if you want the most complete combination of flushing performance, integrated bidet technology, and high-end refinement, this one truly stands at the top. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect smart toilet. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each smart toilet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.